Did you know that selling just a handful of vehicles the wrong way in Arizona could land you in serious trouble with the state? If you've ever dreamed about owning a car dealership, flipping cars full-time, running a wholesale operation, or even becoming a vehicle broker, this video is for you. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get your Arizona motor vehicle dealer license step by step, including the biggest mistakes applicants make, the bond requirements, insurance requirements, and how to get approved as quickly as possible. Before we talk about licensing, let's make sure you actually need one. Arizona requires licensing for new motor vehicle dealers, used motor vehicle dealers, wholesale auction dealers, public consignment, auction dealers, vehicle brokers. If you're buying and selling vehicles for profit, chances are you'll need a license. The Arizona Department of Transportation, or ADOT, regulates dealer licensing. One of the biggest requirements is your dealer bond. Think of it like a financial guarantee that tells the state you'll follow dealer laws. Important: the bond protects the public, not the dealer. If you commit fraud, fail to transfer titles properly, or violate dealer laws, claims can be filed against your bond. Arizona requires a bond amount of $100,000 bond for new motor vehicle dealers, used motor vehicle dealers, and public consignment auction dealers, and a $25,000 bond for brokers, wholesale dealers, and wholesale auction dealers. The bond is required for licensing and must remain active at all times. Now here's the good news. You don't pay $100,000, you only pay a small percentage. Typical rates: credit score above 650, roughly 0.75% to 2%, credit score 600 to 649, roughly 2.5% to 4%. The exact rate depends on credit history, industry experience, and business background. This is where working with a dealer bond specialist matters. At All American Bonds and Insurance, we help Arizona dealers secure the correct bond quickly and affordably. The link is in our bio. Arizona has moved almost everything online. Paper applications are no longer accepted. Your first step is creating your account through ADOT Force and AZMVD Now. This portal allows you to apply for licenses, renew licenses, order dealer plates, replace dealer plates, update ownership information, and change business locations. One important tip: the email address used for your dealer account must be unique and cannot already be attached to another Arizona MVD account. This is where many applications get delayed. Arizona requires several documents. The following documents are required for all applicants: Authorized Presence Documentation, AZMVD Dealership Administrator Application, Authorization to Release Information, Statement of Personal History, Additional Documents, Photos of your office, locking filing cabinet, business sign, posted business hours, all 4 sides of the building. If you're in a shopping center or office complex, you must provide 2 dedicated parking spaces. Other documents may include Articles of Incorporation, Transaction Privilege Tax License, Dealer Bond, Letter of Intent, New Vehicle Dealers. The more organized you are, the faster your approval process will go. Every Arizona dealer applicant must complete fingerprinting. You'll register through Arizona Applicant Processing Services. When scheduling your appointment, make sure you provide this code, VDR059.A. Without that code, your fingerprints may not be processed correctly for dealer licensing. Also note, the statement of personal history is generally required for owners with at least a 20% ownership interest. Arizona requires liability insurance for motor vehicle dealers. Recommended coverages include garage liability insurance. Minimum recommendation, $40,000 premises and auto liability. Additional coverages: dealer open lot coverage, garage keepers coverage, property coverage, uninsured motorist coverage, medical payments coverage. Many new dealers focus only on licensing and forget about protecting inventory. One hailstorm, theft, or accident can be devastating. That's why we recommend speaking with a dealer insurance specialist before opening your doors. All American Bonds and Insurance specializes in dealer insurance programs specifically for Arizona dealerships. You can get a quote for your garage liability insurance at quickerbonds.com. After uploading all documents, submit your application online and pay all invoiced fees through AZMVD Now. The dealer licensing unit reviews everything. If additional information is needed, they'll contact you. You can also monitor your status directly through the dealer community portal. Once licensed, you'll use ADOT MVD now for renewals, dealer permits, and dealer transactions. Use ADOT Force for plate requests, ownership changes, and location changes. Use the Dealer Registration Transfer System for electronic title transfers. You'll also be responsible for periodic dealer plate audits and required reporting. Congratulations! If you've completed these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a licensed Arizona motor vehicle dealer. Before you submit your application, make sure your bond and insurance are done correctly the first time. The dealer licensing specialists at All American Bonds and Insurance help Arizona dealers every day with dealer bonds, garage liability insurance, inventory coverage, dealer licensing support. The links to all the resources mentioned in this video are in our bio. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment with what state you'd like us to cover next. And I'll see you in the next video.